So now for a student grade application, we print a message passed when a boolean variable is passed is true, but it doesn't do anything specific when it's false. Java gives us an easy way to do this with an else statement. An else statement can only come after an if statement, and it lets us provide an alternate set of instructions to follow when the if test condition is not met. Using these together is called an if-else statement, and it gives two possible decision pathways for our computer to take. Actually, the if-else statement is often compared to how humans make decisions. Like in this case, if I pass my exam, I'll get a result which shows pass on it, and if I fail the exam, it shows fail on it. An else statement is the code equivalent of saying otherwise. Based on the value of our boolean variable is passed, our computer will make a decision to execute code contained in the if statement when is passed is true, or in the else statement when is passed is false. It will never execute both code blocks at the same time. Let's see how to write an else statement. And here's our else statement. Instead of having no code after our if statement, we just write else after the end of the if's closing curly braces and then the code we want to execute. The else will be surrounded by curly braces, and also notice that the else statement has no test condition associated with it like if does. Now if the student has failed, we want to print out something. Now let's try this code out with the assigned boolean values. If is passed is true, our if test condition will be satisfied and our code will print out passed. Otherwise, if it's false, this will fail the test condition, and rather than going to the if code block, it will go to our else code block and it will print out fail. Again, only one of these code blocks will be executed when you run this code. Either the code will execute if or an else condition. But I bet you are wondering, what if the student was actually absent and we want to print absent instead of fail? In that case, we'll need more than just two decision pathways. Next, we'll see how to construct even more pathways.